Special.
Crawfish, crawfish. Come here, baby. I got you.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I'm Alex.
I'm Jonathan.
And today we are going through some creeks to see if we find anything cool. We've already actually found a bone. It may be of a deer or a coyote, but you can see more about that soon. So this water is actually very cold right now. My feet are freezing. And have you found anything yet?
Oh, big minnow.
Okay, how big?
Not that long.
Oh wow, that's a minnow.
I think. The last time I put it out here, I didn't leave it for like 5 minutes.
No. To catch minnows, right?
Going good. Ain't seen no venomous snakes. But we also ain't seen no crawfish. That's what we're going for today is crawfish, people.
Special.
Crawfish, crawfish. Come here, baby. I got you. It's gonna get you. It's trying to pinch me.
Does it not hurt?
It doesn't. This one's too small to... It's trying to get it. Look, it was trying to bite me.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Like it's zooming out. Oh, look at that.
Whoa, that doesn't feel too good.
So bad. Maybe I don't.
Here, you see it? It's right there.
Does it matter how I grab it?
Just like grab it behind its head. Like, whoa, something. A baby crawfish was just on my foot. Where'd it go? Do you see it? Did it disappear? Where'd you go, boy? Okay, now we're off to a good start, and there's a minnow. See that minnow? There you go. Here, let's go up the creek. Oh, there's one. There's a crawfish right at your foot.
This one?
That one, right between your feet. Right here.
Oh wow, that's huge.
Oh, this one's gonna pinch. Where'd it go? Huh? Oh, that one's trying to get away. Ready to go, Alex boy?